Acts chapter 7. The priest oga dem come ask Stephen.
All these things wey dem talk about you so, na true?
Stephen answer,
My brothers and fathers, make una lis ten to wetin I wan talk so. Na when Abraham, our grandpapa dem, dey for Mesopotamia, before he go stay for Haran, na im God wey get power appear to am come tell am say, make you leave your country and your people go the land wey I go show you. So Abraham leave Chaldean country come go stay for Haran. After im papa die, God come tell am make he stay for dis land where una dey now. Dat time, God never give am any part for the land and he never born any pikin, but God promise am say he go give am the land and he and his children go stay there forever. God tell am, the children wey you go born go be stranger for another country, and the people for that country go suffer them, come use them as slave for 400 years. But God say, I go punish the people wey go use them as slave, and after all these things, dem go comot for there, come worship me for this place. So God make covenant with Abraham through circumcision. Abraham come born Isaac and circumcise am after 8 days. Isaac born Jacob, and Jacob born the 12 brothers wey be our grandpapa dem. Jacob children wey be our grandpapa dem, because dem dey jealous Joseph their brother, dey come sell am as slave go Egypt, but God dey with am, come save am from all im wahala and from Pharaoh wey be Egypt king. He give am favour with wisdom, and Pharaoh come make am oga for the whole Egypt and over everything wey he get. Hunger come dey for the whole Egypt and Canaan, and our grandpapa dem no see food chop. So when Jacob hear say food dey for Egypt, he come send our grandpapa dem go check if na true. After dem don go 2 times, Joseph show himself give him brothers, and Pharaoh come know Joseph family. Joseph send message go give him papa Jacob say make him and all the people wey dey with am come Egypt, and dem be 75 wey go. So Jacob and our grandpapa dem go Egypt, and dem die for there. Their bone dey there till dem carry dem go bury for Shechem, for the grave wey Abraham buy from Hamor children. But as time dey near when God go fulfill the promise wey he make with Abraham, Israel people come dey many inside Egypt, till another Pharaoh wey no know Joseph come dey rule. He deceive and suffer our people sotey he force dem to leave their children make dem die. Na that time they born Moses, and God come like am well well. Moses stay for him papa house for only 3 months, and when dem throway am for river, Pharaoh daughter come take and train am as him own pikin. So dem teach Moses all the wise things wey Egypt people dey do, and he come get wisdom for how he dey talk and wetin he dey do. But when 40 years don reach, he come think am say e good make he go visit him own Israel people. When he see one man from Egypt dey oppress one Israel person, Moses come defend and kill the Egypt man. He think say him own people go understand say God wan use am take save dem, but dem no understand. The next day, Moses see 2 Israel men dey fight, and he wan try settle dem. So he tell dem, my people, una be brothers, why una come dey fight una sef like this? But the man wey dey oppress him brother come say, who give you power to rule and judge us? Hope you no wan kill me the way you kill that Egypt man yesterday. When the man talk like this, Moses run go Midian, another land where he stay as stranger, come born 2 boys for there. After 40 years don pass, one angel appear to am for inside desert for Mount Sinai, where one bush for dey burn. As Moses see these things, he surprise well well, and when he waka near make he see am well, he hear God voice wey say, na me be the God wey your grandpapa Abraham, Isaac and Jacob dey worship. Moses start to shake and fear not let am look too much. But God tell am, make you pull your shoe comot from your leg, because the place where you stand so na holy ground. I don see as my people dey suffer for Egypt, and I don hear as dem dey cry, so I don come save dem. Make you come, because I wan send you go Egypt back. This Moses wey dem reject and ask say, who make you our oga and judge? Na im God come send make he be oga and saviour through the angel wey appear to am for bush. Na this Moses lead dem comot for Egypt. e still do plenty miracles for Egypt, the Red Sea, and inside the wilderness for 40 years. Na dis Moses tell Israel people say, na from among una, God promise say e go raise up one prophet wey go lead una. Na dis same man dey with people for wilderness, with the angel wey talk to am for Mount Sinai, with our grandpapa dem, and e come receive God word for una. But una papa no gree obey am. Instead, dem no answer am. But dem change their mind say dem wan go Egypt back. Dem come tell Aaron, make you do juju for us wey go lead us because we no know wetin don happen to Moses. So dem make image wey be like melu, sacrifice give am, come begin serve the melu wey dem take their own hand make. God leave dem make dem worship stars to make wetin prophet Amos talk happen say, Israel people, una think say na me una dey serve, when una dey sacrifice animal for inside wilderness for 40 years? Na because of the house wey una build for Molech and Rephan, wey be una god and juju, wey una dey worship, na im make me send una go be slave for Babylon. God give the tabernacle to our grandpapa dem, the house wey dem go for worship am, just as he say make Moses build am. After, our grandpapa dem carry the tabernacle wey God give dem with Joshua, come drive all the other tribes and take their land till the time when David begin rule Israel. God favor David well well, and he say he go build house for God, but na Solomon him pikin come build am. We know say God no dey stay for house wey human being build, just as the prophet talk, heaven na my chair, and na the earth I dey put my leg. So which kind house una go fit build for me, or which kind place I go stay? No be me make all these things by myself. See how una stubborn, just as una grandpapa dem be, na so una still be too, because na don make una heart strong to disobey God. E get any prophet wey una grandpapa dem no kill? Dem even kill the messenger wey talk before say the righteous man go come and una go give am to wicked people and dem go kill am. Na una receive God law when he send through him angels, but una no obey am.
As the council members hear all the things wey Stephen talk, dem come dey vex well well. But Stephen, wey God dey use well well, look straight go heaven, come see God glory and Jesus Christ wey stand for God right hand. Na him he shout,
Look, I see heaven wey open, and I see Jesus Christ, God pikin, stand for him right hand.
But the people close their ear, begin shout, and all of them come rush am. When dem don drag am go outside for the temple, dem come start to dey stone am. Then dem come pull all their cloth give one man wey dem dey call Saul, make he hold. As dem dey stone Stephen, he come pray,
Oh God, Jesus Christ, make you receive my spirit.
So he fall for ground, come shout,
My papa, abeg, make you no count this sin against them.
When he talk so finish, he come die.